आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, question is x square upon r square plus r minus 6. Okay students, so x square upon r square plus r minus 6 plus y square upon r square minus 6 r plus 5 equals to 1 represents the ellipse. Okay students, then r lies in the interval and there are four options. We have to say which of the following option is correct. So let's solve this. So equation of ellipse is in form x square upon a square, okay students, plus y square upon b square is equals to 1. Okay. Here you can see denominator of x square is a square and denominator of y square is b square, and a square b square both are positive, greater than 0. So r square plus r minus 6 should be greater than 0. Okay. And r square minus 6r plus 5 is greater than 0. Okay students, no problem. So I am going to factorize this and solve both, and the value of r which will satisfy both the equations, that will be the values of r in this question. So here r square plus r minus 6 will be r, roots of this quadratic will be, okay, minus 3 and 2. So here I will write r plus 3 and r minus 2, and this is greater than 0. And here I am going to draw this number line between minus infinity to infinity, and this is minus 3 and this is 2. Okay. And if we take any number greater than 2, this whole term will be positive, and if we take any number between minus 3 to 2, this whole term will be negative. And if we take any number less than 3, this whole term will be positive. You can take by taking any number between this range. And we need positive, it means that this expression will be positive when value of r lies between minus 3 to 2. Okay students, no problem. Now I am going to solve this. Roots of this quadratic will be 2 and, okay, sorry, roots will be 1 and 5. How 1? Because sum of coefficients is 0. Coefficient of r square is 1, coefficient of r is minus 6, and constant is 5. So 1 plus 5 minus 6, this will be 0. So one root is 1, and if one root is 1, other root is c upon a, which is 5. No problem students. Now factorization of this will be r minus 1 into r minus 5 greater than 0. And this is our number line between minus infinity to infinity. Okay. And the point will be 1 and 5. And over this side, this will be positive. Between 1 to 5, this will be negative. And when r is less than 1, this will be positive. Okay, students. Now here also we need positive, and here also we need positive. Now I am going to, here answer is this part and this part, here answer is this part and this part. Okay students, now I am going to draw number line and take intersection of both between minus infinity to infinity, and here I will take minus 3, here I will take 2, here I will take 1, and here I will take 5. So this is 5 to infinity, and here it is minus infinity to 1. Here it is 2 to infinity, and here it is minus infinity to 3. And intersection of both is this part. So answer is minus infinity to minus 3 and 5 to infinity. If you will see, option third is correct. Okay students, and this option is wrong. It would be 3 to infinity. Okay. And there is one more condition for this equation to not, for representation of ellipse, that value of a square should not be equals to b square. If a square and b square will be equal, this will be circle. So r square plus r minus 6 should not be equals to r square minus 6r plus 5. Both sides r will get cancelled out. 6r will come this side, this will become 7r, is not equals to minus 6 will go that side, this will become 11. So value of r will not be equals to 11 upon 7. And here we got answer 5 to infinity, and you can see this value does not lies in 5 to infinity. So correct option will be option 3, 5 to infinity. But the total answer will be minus infinity to minus 3, okay, union 5 to infinity. Okay, students, this is total answer, but this option 3 is only this half part is given. So this is the correct answer among all the 4 options. Thank you, students.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।